Let's get cracking. So music, Dropbox, trance, of course. And I'm looking for something just really uplifting and really kind of summery. So John Askew, Bastard is not the one. Summer Calling, that was a really good one. It's a vocal track. Vocal tracks are a little bit different. I always find they're a little bit longer because you have a verse or two verses and then the chorus, and then you have the breakdown and blah blah blah. So I always find they're a little bit too long. My Religion, not too bad. Mood Swing, nah, not quite. Also, we don't want an edit. You'll notice lots of edits here, and these are all like edits for my sets. It's no good putting an edit in there because, you know, the idea with this is that you're getting a professional kind of structure. I've edited a lot of these tracks, so it makes no sense whatsoever to go and use an edit. So just food for thought there. You know, there's a million tracks in here. We'll find something, don't worry. Wasted. It's a bit slow. Always. That's a quite a summary track, actually. Yeah, we'll go for that. Simon Patterson, Always. I think it has to download quickly, so give it a moment. I've got a selective sync on Dropbox, so it takes a little while to get that downloaded. Cool, so we're ready to rock. We've got the Simon Patterson Always track in. Now, the first thing we want to do is zoom in and make sure there's no silence at the start. Because if there is, it's not going to be in time. So just chop that away. And we want to get the BPM now, so we can just go to bar 33. If we do a loop and we play it just before, the kick and bass should come in at bar 33. If it doesn't, then it's out of time. It happens to be that this track is 138, so that's nice and simple. Now, just a quick little bit of insight here. What we're about to do is we're about to copy the structure of a track. What that means is it's where the kicks are, where, you know, the general structure. Now, the arrangement of a track is something different. The arrangement of a track is where does a clap come in? Where does this bit of percussion come in? Where does the sub bass come in? Sorry, no, the sub bass always comes in at bar 33. Where does the pluck come in? So if you're a beginner, once you've done the structure, you can put in another track that's 138, and then you can go through and copy the arrangement. So you're, okay, does he start with a clap? No, the clap comes in at bar 8. Right, bar 17, open hat. Right, bar 33, kick and bass, no percussion. Builds all the percussion up to bar 49. And then bar 60, 65, vocal chops. Bar 81, melody, blah.